In the world of finance, there's a secret passage that leads to a treasure trove of wealth and freedom, yet only a select few have found the map and followed it to riches beyond measure. Today, we're not just peeking through the keyhole, we're swinging open the gates to this hidden path. The ultimate guide that demystifies the journey from financial constraints to boundless economic liberation. Buckle up, because we're about to embark on an adventure that transforms the abstract concept of wealth into a tangible reality you can achieve. Having a magic mindset. Here's the deal. Being rich isn't just about burning the midnight oil. Sure, hard work matters, but it's not the only ticket to the VIP section of the Wealth Club. Sometimes it's about working smarter, not harder. But here's the twist. Your mindset is the magic wand. If you're stuck in a scarcity mindset, thinking there's never enough to go around, guess what? You'll attract, yep, you guessed it, a whole lot of nothing. It's like having a broken GPS that keeps rerouting you to Nowhereville. On the flip side, embracing an abundance mindset, believing there's plenty of pie for everyone, that's the key. Doors start opening, you feel that creative spark, and suddenly, you're making moves. That's the magic mindset for you. A game changer in the wealth department. That's the magic mindset. The cheat code to wealth. So, my friend, keep those eyes peeled, trust your instincts, and remember, you're the magician and life's your grand stage. Improving your skills and knowledge. Do you want to get rich quick? Then hit the books, or the online courses, workshops, you name it. Staying sharp and ahead of the curve is key in our world that never hits pause. Being the person who's always leveling up their knowledge and skills is like having a secret weapon in the race to success. Take the tech world, for example. Keeping tabs on the latest in blockchain and AI, that's gold. Or if you're cruising through the creative lanes, diving deep into the newest digital tools or marketing tricks could be your ticket to the big leagues. There's a whole universe of books, seminars, and online courses out there. Embrace the student life, no matter your age, and you'll find yourself on a fast track to not just keeping up, but standing out. Starting your own business. 2024 could be your year to hit those financial goals and kickstart your own thing. Got a fresh business idea, killer skills, or a passion project gathering dust? There's no time like the present to dive in and make it big. Sure, launching a business comes with its fair share of hurdles, but the payoff? Huge. With the right mix of planning, action, and maybe a sprinkle of good fortune, you're looking at a direct line to financial glory. Nailing it means drawing up a solid business plan, getting creative with your marketing, and putting your customers first. And here's a little nugget of inspiration. Only 12% of millionaires got their fortune handed to them. A whopping 88% built their empires from the ground up, says a study from Fidelity Investments. So why not you, right? Focus on smart investing. Investing is like the ultimate hack for making your money grow. Think stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and ETFs, all up for grabs through online brokers. Sure, the whole investing thing can seem a bit frightening at first, but trust me, there's a treasure trove of info out there to help you nail it. The smartest investors aren't just throwing darts at a board, they're playing the game with strategy. They know how to squeeze the most juice out of their investment mix. Adjusting your investment strategy to keep pace with the market's beat and your own money goals is key. Maybe that means exploring some new investment territories or mixing things up across different types of assets. And remember, every move you make should vibe with how much risk you're willing to take and where you want to be down the road. Get a second income source. Diversifying your income is like installing turbo boosters on your journey to a wealthy life. Not only does it speed things up, but it also straps a safety net under you. So if your main gig hits a snag, you're not left scrambling to keep the lights on. When that extra cash starts rolling in, remember the end game is building wealth, not just upgrading your lifestyle every chance you get. It's easy to get caught up in a rampage on the latest gadgets or luxury vacations, but real power lies in using that extra dough to cover up your emergency fund, slash those debts, or pump more into your investments. Keep your eyes on the prize, and your future self will thank you big time. If you're curious about learning more strategies to achieve financial freedom in 2024, Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. You won't want to miss what's coming next. Prioritize financial planning and wealth management. Getting your finances in shape and keeping your wealth growing is all about sharp planning and management. Think of partnering with a financial advisor as leveling up in a game. They're like your personal financial guru, helping you dodge taxes like a ninja, manage risks, plan your estate, strategize for retirement, and a whole lot more. And just like updating your favorite app to keep it running smoothly, it's crucial to give your financial plan regular checkups and tweaks as your life evolves. Keeping it fresh ensures your money keeps working hard for you. Assess your current financial situation. One of the most important steps in designing a financial freedom roadmap is evaluating your existing financial status, which necessitates a thorough examination of your financial environment. It's all about rolling up your sleeves and doing a full scan of your cash flow situation. We're talking a detailed look-see into every corner, pinpointing where your money's coming from, mapping out where it's going every month, lining up all your debts along with their interest rates, and sizing up your investments and savings stash. This financial health check is your first big step on the road to wealth. Budgeting and saving. Crafting a budget is like drawing your financial map every month, giving you the superpower to navigate your cash flow like a pro. It's all about tracking the treasure and the trails, figuring out where you can dodge the unnecessary splurges, and channeling funds into your treasure chest of investments and savings. By sticking to this budget, you're basically putting up a no trespassing sign for overspending, kicking financial stress to the curb, and marching steadily towards your money goals. And hey, living frugally doesn't mean you're skimping on the fun stuff. It's about making smart picks on where your coins go, snagging the best deals, and investing in joys and utilities that really count for you in the long haul. Pay off debt. Knocking out debt, especially the kind that comes with sky-high interest rates, is a game changer for hitting financial independence and boosting your wealth-building power. Let's be real, credit card debt and its high-interest buddies can be like money-eating monsters, munching away at your bank account. Time to have a battle plan for showing that debt to the door. Enter the avalanche method. Think of it as targeting the big, bad wolves of your debt first. You line them up by interest rate and tackle the heftiest ones, cutting down the total interest you shell out in the process. It's like choosing to fight the boss level first to save yourself a ton of hassle later on. Review and adjust your plan regularly. Life's a bit like a roller coaster, full of twists and turns. And just as your life changes, so will your money goals and situation. To keep your plan for financial freedom rolling smoothly along with your evolving dreams and current reality, you gotta keep tweaking and tuning it. Think of it as regular maintenance on your financial freedom ride. By staying flexible, you're all set to dodge those unexpected curveballs and grab hold of new opportunities as they come zooming your way. This blueprint isn't just your ticket to financial independence. It's basically your guide to a chill life with more stability, freedom, and the power to make moves that vibe with your personal goals and values. With each step you tailor and apply based on what you're all about and what you're aiming for, hitting that financial freedom target becomes way more than a pipe dream. Stick to the plan, and by 2024, you could be basking in the glow of wealth. That's it for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.